Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to Body Make and Health Management. Today, we're diving into building a balanced plate for optimal nutrition. We'll show you how to create a balanced plate that fuels your body, boosts your energy, and supports your health goals. So grab your notebooks because class is officially in session. Chapter 1. What is a balanced plate? So what exactly is a balanced plate? Think of your plate like a pie chart divided into sections. Half of this plate should be filled with colorful vegetables and fruits. The other half of your plate is split between lean protein and healthy carbohydrates. Aim for a quarter of your plate to be protein, which helps build and repair tissues. The remaining quarter is dedicated to those good-for-you carbs that provide your body with energy. Let's talk examples. Leafy greens, berries, lean meats, and healthy fats. Chapter 2. The power of vegetables and fruits. Let's dive deeper into the world of vegetables and fruits. They're bursting with essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Fiber, found abundantly in fruits and veggies, aids digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Variety is key. Experiment with different colors and types of vegetables and fruits. From leafy greens to colorful bell peppers and berries, there's a whole world of flavor and nutrition waiting to be explored. Chapter 3. Choosing quality proteins. Proteins are the building blocks of our bodies. Aim for lean protein sources that are low in saturated fat. Good examples include chicken breast, turkey, fish, beans, lentils, tofu, and Greek yogurt. A palm-sized portion of protein per meal is a good rule of thumb. Think about a grilled chicken salad with mixed greens, quinoa, and a colorful array of veggies. Include a good source of protein in every meal. Chapter 4. Picking the right carbohydrates. Carbohydrates often get a bad rap, but they're actually your body's primary source of energy. The key is to choose the right kind of carbs. Complex carbohydrates found in whole grains, fruits, and vegetables provide sustained energy. Instead of white bread, try a salad with quinoa or brown rice, grilled chicken or fish, and a variety of colorful vegetables. Chapter 5. Don't forget healthy fats. Don't let the word fat scare you. Healthy fats are essential for hormone production, cell function, and nutrient absorption. Include sources of healthy fats in your diet like avocados, nuts and seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish like salmon. Think of adding a tablespoon of olive oil to your salad dressing or snacking on a handful of almonds. This meal not only provides healthy fats but also protein, complex carbs, and essential vitamins and minerals. Be mindful of portion sizes, as they are calorie-dense. Chapter 6. Hydration and meal timing. Hydration and meal timing play a crucial role in optimizing your nutrition and overall health. Prioritize hydration. Aim to drink water consistently throughout the day. Water helps with digestion, nutrient absorption, and keeps your body functioning optimally. Aim to eat at regular intervals throughout the day, ideally every 3 to 4 hours. Skipping meals can lead to overeating later on and disrupt your metabolism. Include healthy snacks between meals if needed, such as a piece of fruit with nut butter. Chapter 7. Sample balanced meals. Now let's put it all together with some sample balanced meals. For breakfast, how about a Greek yogurt parfait layered with berries, granola, and a drizzle of honey? For lunch, a salad with grilled chicken or fish, quinoa or brown rice, and a variety of colorful vegetables. For dinner, try baked salmon with a side of roasted vegetables like broccoli, carrots, and sweet potatoes. These meals provide protein, healthy fats, complex carbs, and essential vitamins and minerals. Don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen and experiment with different flavors and ingredients. Chapter 8. Common mistakes to avoid. Let's discuss some common mistakes to avoid. Skipping meals, especially breakfast, can lead to overeating later on and disrupt your metabolism. Over-snacking on processed foods high in sugar and unhealthy fats can sabotage your efforts. Relying too heavily on processed foods and takeout is another common mistake. These foods are often high in sodium, unhealthy fats, and added sugars. Aim for a sustainable approach to nutrition that you can maintain long-term. That's it for today's video on mastering the art of a balanced plate. I hope you found these tips helpful and feel empowered to make healthier choices. Remember, building a balanced plate is not about perfection, but about making sustainable changes that support your overall health and well-being. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to Body Make and Health Management for more insights and tips to help you succeed. Thanks for watching until the end, and I'll see you in the next video.